You need to trust your instincts. What's going on, people? My name is Andrew SB and welcome to my channel. If you ain't already subscribed, you need to do that ASAP. Remember, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Something that everyone knows, everyone hears, and everyone talks about, but a lot of times when it really does come down to it, people ignore their instincts. Me included. A lot of times people ignore their instincts, and it's only later when things have gone bad that you realize, you actually had that weird feeling saying don't go there. You had that weird feeling saying this person was not right for you. You had that weird feeling saying just don't trust that person, or just don't believe what the other one's saying, and you ignored it. I mean, it's human nature. It happens and it's human nature, so don't beat yourself up for it. But it's learning to trust your instincts and trust, like some people be like, just trust your gut. Like it's understanding and knowing how to do that. Honestly, I don't even know how to do that fully. I'm not even saying do it. Like, I'm just saying it's something that's, when you kind of go through some stuff, you kind of think about it, you think, right, like I had a feeling, and when you know that and you acknowledge it, like, it's more like, okay, cool, how can I best learn how to trust my gut? How can I best learn how to, trust and follow my instincts? I don't know the answer to it, but it's a question to ask, because obviously the wider the landscape to pick from, the wider people's brains and people's opinions you can get, then maybe you learn and you figure out how to best learn how to do it. Because I don't have the answer to it, but I know it's something that does help. I know it's something that does a lot of times steer you away from drama and issues and problems and all that kind of shit. So if you can basically figure it out, let me know, because I would genuinely love to know how to learn how to fully 100% trust my instincts. So do sometimes it's a little bit too late. I'm like, okay, I should have. So if anyone out there knows, hit me up on the socials, hit me up in the comments and say, yo bro, this is how you learn, and this is what you need to do to fully learn and to fully trust your instincts and go about it that way. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, keep winning. And remember, hit the subscribe button and the notification button. Hit us up on the socials as well, Real Andrew SB. I repeat, Real Andrew SB on the socials. Let us know your comments, let us know your thoughts, and come along for the ride.